The first interesting thing I have learned is about relocating community access to water for cultivating dry season rice and other crops. Secondly, in regard to the compensation package, people have said that they receive in terms of provision of new houses and other infrastructure insufficient. We came here to learn from their experiences. We should have aware of these issues. I feel more comfortable talking to the people directly impacted from the dam. They will tell us the truth. For me, I plan to go home and take all of what I can remember to tell the people in my village, whether it's good or bad. This is important in terms of advocacy in order to push the company to provide better compensation package. When you show the picture of the negative impact, people feel afraid and then they will have the power to continue advocate for themselves.